to Share Science. Today we are going to see what life would be like if we pretended to be a dog. A lot of us have dogs we love so much, but have you ever wondered what it would be like if you were a dog? Do they see things like we do? And why they always sniff everything? Well, get ready to use your imagination, because today we're diving into the amazing world of a dog's super senses. So, did you know that dogs don't see the world the way we do? Take a look at this video, which shows just how differently they see. The first thing you'll notice is everything seems blurry. That's because they're nearsighted. If you were to give a dog an eye test, most would score 20/75, which means for something we could see at 75 feet, a dog would have to be much closer at only 20 feet to see. You'll also notice all the colors seem different too. That's because dogs only have dichroic vision, meaning they only have 2 color sensors in their eyes, instead of ours that have 3. This means they can only see shades of blue and yellow, and everything else just blends together. For instance, telling red from green is almost impossible for a dog. Just look at what happens when something red pops up in the dog's vision on the left side. Where'd it go? While dogs don't have the best vision in the animal kingdom, there is one area they are on top. And that's with their sense of smell. A dog's sense of smell is 50 times better than a human's. Dogs have up to 300 million scent receptors in their noses, and that allows for some amazing skills. Like, did you know dogs can smell layers of time? They can tell what happened in an area just by sniffing around. That's why they make such great search and rescue helpers. Bloodhounds can even follow a scent trail that's over 12 days old. Now that's one powerful sniffer. Dogs can use their noses for all kinds of things. Doctors have used them in trials to smell diseases, like cancer and diabetes. And do you know what's also fun? A dog's nose print is as unique as our fingerprints. The next time you see a furry friend, check it out for yourself. We hope you liked today's video. Dogs have such amazing senses that allow them to do some really cool stuff. Check out our other animal videos to learn more and subscribe to get more content just like this on your homepage automatically.